Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
May I welcome you to meeting for our new business project, car assembly manufacturer. Before I begin, does everyone ready to present about the assignment?
Yes.
Let's start with the activity. How about it?
For our activity, we get each part from different country, and we have BOI incentive in 3 points and EPZ benefit at 2 points in manufacturing. Car exterior from Japan, wheels from China, utilize BOI incentive, and then ship to a boarded warehouse. From our engine is from Rayong, Thailand. After that, all material are sent to Lam Chabang, that is an export processing zone. The final step, cars will ship directly to Australia under EPZ condition.
Okay, let's move on to the incentive scheme. What are they provide? How good?
The incentive scheme in this zone is about export processing zone or EPZ. Is provide tax for 0% on VAT of essential on important machinery and car component supply for our car assembly production.
And how about BOI?
For BOI encourage the industrial develop in Lam Chabang by first of all is about tax incentive. The tax exemption for import machinery, equipment and car parts, which is exempt for 5 years, and after 5 years the tax will be reduced into 50% in corporation income. And the deduction for the cost for we start the business or for each initiate business is about deduct for 25% of the cost of installation facility.
And how about non-tax incentive?
Or for non-tax incentive, the permit to bring skilled work and expert from other country to work within our company. For BOI condition, they are still have the condition about import duty on foreigner supply, not up to 75%.
Anything else?
And author is bonded warehouse. We choose a manufacturing type for our company. When we import a car component from Japan and China and store in bonded warehouse, it will exempt the payment of import tax and will be subject to tax and duty when we pick apart from the bonded warehouse for manufacturing for domestic consumption. It can reduce the cost to our company. Moreover, the license of bonded warehouse will give us security by bond the custom department, and the license pay the annual license fee at the rate 10,000 baht.
And how this better than other intensive?
Because our company focus on the efficiency for our company, we obtain the benefit from this incentive scheme to the highest level. And for another incentive scheme, like the duty drawback and Freezone, duty drawback cannot cover our needs. Although duty drawback don't have to register to build a warehouse, our company needs to have a warehouse to store the material. Moreover, duty drawback cannot accept the export duty in the beginning, like the bonded warehouse. And the free zone. Free zone is a zone which have an intensive as the EPZ, but EPZ cover more than free zone, such as the labor sector, like the labor come from the foreign country, can be employee and investor.
Okay, that's all I know. You mean that our car assembly obtain the benefits from intensive scheme following BOI, EPZ, and bonded warehouse. Even though These incentive schemes are under condition. They give us the high benefit to our company. Each of them give the different benefit and fill the gap of each other to have the complete benefit for the company, both of tax intensive and non-tax intensive. Okay?
Okay.
So today, thank you for your hard working. Thank you very much.
Thank you.